Okay, today's date is June 2nd, 2026. I'm going to be reviewing the trade I took today on the S&P 500. I lost. Going into market open, we have this daily fair value gap to the downside on ES. Overall bullish. 4 hour is bullish. We did inverse that gap when we have this gap here and this gap here on ES. A 4 hour bearish fair value gap. Um, 1 hour has fair value gaps underneath. Um, yeah, I wanted to take this trade up into these London highs. I could not find an entry on the 5 or 2 minute. Then we got these, we hit these London highs, and we started seeing some real displacement to the downside. You can see this here, strong displacement. If you take away this and so forth, it looks like it looks more like displacement. And then we rallied. I took the trade right here. Once this 2 minute broke market structure, we tapped into equilibrium, and then I shorted around here, and then I had first take those there was my stops. I had first take profit around wherever equilibrium is around here. Let's see, first TP here. I got filled a little lower than that, but that was the trade. Losing trade. You may look at this and say, well, why would you long, retard? And I would tell you, um, you may look at this and say, why would you short, retard? And I would tell you, we swept London highs. We had a 2 minute market structure break. We inversed these gaps on the 5 minute. And, oh, and this was a huge reason. Relative equal lows here, low here, daily fair value gap here. So that's why I shorted. Haven't really processed whether that was a good decision or a bad decision yet. Maybe give me a second to think about it. Mm, I mean, can you say it was a good decision if you lost? You could. A big reason why I did it is because we didn't sweep any liquidity when we came down here. And this was liquidity too. This was a pre-market sweep. The only sweep, well, there hasn't even been a sweep yet on ES. Um, this was that wasn't even a sweep. This was pre-market though. Um, yeah, we didn't see the only liquidity sweep we could have saw was this right here. So that's kind of why I did it. We didn't even see a sweep yet. Obviously, longs were the play. I couldn't find longs. Once we swept that London high, inverse those gaps. 2 minute market structure break, equilibrium, 30-second continuation. That's when I shorted it. Obviously, didn't pay off. Yeah, let me think if there's anything else. No trading Friday for me. So tomorrow and Thursday, gotta make the best out of it. Hmm. I'm thinking whether this was a good idea or not. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe I should have just been done for the day once those London highs got hit. Hmm. Yeah, I have no clue. Anyways, that's it.